Hello everybody, Steve.garai, real estate broker for Keller Williams Urbain. It is once again a pleasure to have Jean Arcoyan with us. He is the mobile mortgage specialist at the TD Canada Trust Bank. Jean, welcome.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you for having me.
It's always a pleasure to have you here. Jean, you are going to explain to us how a home equity line of credit operates, especially the mechanics, otherwise known as a HELOC, H-E-L-O-C. Would you be so kind? Explain to us how that works.
Sure. Well, there's a few things that we need to know about a line of credit. Is that, first of all, in order to qualify to take out a home equity line of credit, a client should, in the case of a purchase, either be able to put up 20% as a down payment, or in the case of a refinance, a client needs to have at least 20% equity built up inside the property. The other restriction that comes along with the home equity line of credit is that no more than 65% of the purchase price, purchase value can be available as a line of credit. So in the example, let's say a client wants to buy a $100,000 property. Well, the revolving portion, so the line of credit portion of the mortgage will be $65,000, and then the remaining $15,000 will be, let's say, a fixed rate mortgage. Well, that's what's going to make up the gap.
So the important thing to remember is the client must put at least 20% down.
Yes.
Therefore, it can't be an insured mortgage.
No.
And the home equity line of credit is good up to 65% of
the value,
the purchase price.
That's the maximum we can go.
And the balance to make up between the 65 and the 80% financing is a conventional mortgage segment.
Yes.
Terrific. And let's not forget this. These funds can be used for anything, right? The client.
Yeah. Once the line of credit is approved, the client pays interest only on the portion that they use, and there's no restrictions as to what the client can use the funds for.
Fabulous. It sounds very flexible and convenient. Jean, thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
And dear viewer, thank you. Look forward to our next reunion. Bye for now.